the number of COVID-19 cases in North Texas went up over the weekend, and Denton County now has a case. That man, in his 30s, had been traveling recently in the country's first presumptive case in that county. Dallas County reported 3 new cases yesterday, bringing the total to 14. Collin County also reported a new case yesterday. It's a Frisco man who tested presumptive positive and isn't connected to any of the cases in that area. Well, if you spent the weekend practicing social distancing, need to listen up. New guidelines from the CDC discourage gatherings of people 50 or more, groups of 50 or more, and that means more changes for people in Dallas. Jen is live at City Hall with the announcement the mayor plans to make today. Jen.
Well, Russ, we already know that mass gatherings of 500 people or more are already banned in the city of Dallas. But in light of these new CDC restrictions, today Mayor Eric Johnson says they may announce further changes in the city of Dallas to limit social gatherings. We're also getting an idea of just how long these practices may be in place. Part of the CDC's recommendation is to cancel events of 50 or more people for the next 8 weeks. That includes weddings, concerts, festivals, and other events, public or private. As Russ mentioned, this comes as we've learned Dallas County health officials identified 3 new presumptive positive cases of COVID-19 yesterday. One is a man in his 30s, one in his 50s, and one in his 60s. 2 were in the hospital, and 1 is in self-isolation at home. Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins says churches and faith leaders did a good job over the weekend of protecting their congregations and limiting worship services in large groups.
Most of our faith community not only abided by the ban, well, everyone abided by the ban, but most of them went a step further to protect their people by doing a lot of things online and in very small groups.
Now, Russ, no word exactly what time Mayor Eric Johnson is going to make this announcement on changes in Dallas today, or exactly what specifics we might see.
And Jen, what's the latest on the gatherings in Tarrant County? We know officials there have already discouraged gatherings of 250 or more.
Yeah, that is correct. Judge Glenn Whiteley has said that 250 more is currently not recommended in Tarrant County right now, but they're basically also saying if you have any sort of gathering planned and you can cancel it, you should go ahead and do so. He mentioned in our interview over the weekend that he and his wife did go out to some restaurants in the Fort Worth area over the weekend, but he says they practiced social distancing. Those restaurants were pretty empty. They made a point to sit away from other guests who were dining. He said, if you want to support local businesses right now, just consider ordering takeout or maybe purchasing a gift card to use at a later date. Back to you.
All right, Jen, thanks.